Hello, everybody. It's Scratching with Holly. Holly's not here because she's on lizard watch.
Yeah.
She likes the back sliding glass door and all the lizards run by. She likes it.
She's sitting there. She's definitely not staring at little lizards in the back porch.
So maybe she'll come back.
Holly, we're in here when you're done with lizards.
We're scratching.
Holly.
This is a $10 Florida ticket.
Woo-hoo.
We have ticket 50 and 51.
All right.
All right. So what can we win? We can win, my favorite, a coin. Or get a 2X or a 10X. Or if we get the money bag, we win all the prizes.
This is $5,000 a week for life, right?
Yes, this is the $5,000 a week for life.
This is equivalent to your set for life in New York?
I believe it is.
Okay. Yeah, it's a $10 ticket. Yeah,
But
sure.
it doesn't give me five factors. Haven't got a
No,
five
I haven't got anything like that yet.
Alrighty. We have a 3, a 28, 25, 6, 4, 24. 3, 4, 6, 24, 25, 28. All right, no teens, just some single digits and some 20s. Let's see what we can find. 29. Well, that's one of them, but not mine.
All right, come on.
7. Nope. No teens. 14. 31. No 30s. And a 5. Right between the 4
How
and the
about that,
6.
yeah?
3, 4, 5, 6,
Come on,
7.
A coin or a multiplier. Money bag.
Money bag. Money bags. 18. No teens. 11. No. 17. No. 15. No. And 9. No.
All right.
Next row. 34. No. No 30s. We have an 8. No. 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So what do we have left in the single digits? Oh, 9. We have the 9. 2s? 2 maybe? 26. Oh, man. We have 24, 25, 26. 16, no teens. And our last number is a 33. Way too high. Didn't get a money bag.
Nothing on that one.
No, I didn't get nothing. So that is ticket 50. We'll go on to ticket 51. Let's see what we can find here. 4 top prizes of $5,000 a week for life. That would be cool to get one of the top prizes. All right, we have a 7, an 8, 14, 19, 27, 28. Okay, so we have some teens added to this one. We have some single digits, some 20s, and some teens. 13, so close.
Very close.
16, no. 23, too low. 15, we have the 14 and the 19. 35. 34, we have no 30s, so we can go right by them. 26, we have a 27 and a 28.
Oh, yeah.
Cross your fingers,
Come
Holly.
on, Holly. Crush your tail.
We need some Bengal luck.
Come on in here, Holly.
We have
Here,
a
kitty.
17. We do not have a 17.
Holly.
18. We have a 19. Cross your fingers. 29. Oh, we have a 27 and a 28. All right. Last row. Looking for a money bag. Still looking for a money bag. We have an 8. We have the 7 and the 9.
Of course we do.
Yes. Chicken legs 11. No 30s. 6. No. Last number. 5. So, wah, wah, wah. They're not comparable to my
No,
tickets.
the others win more.
No.
We gotta get someone to send some down. Need some
Yeah,
New York
that's
set for
all right.
life.
That's okay. Just do with what we got here. I don't think we'll be making a trip back to Florida for a long time.
New York.
New York. Sorry. A trip back to New York for a long time.
Until they let us fly again.
Yeah, I guess.
All right.
All right, folks. If you like what we do, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And good luck with your scratching.